Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you some dermatologist tips for getting a handle on chapped winter hands. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm going to encourage you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more day in the life of a dermatologist vlogs and dermatologist tips for skincare and skincare ingredient favorites. Now, winter is really hard on the hands, and dry, cracked, fissured skin on the fingertips and palms can become a real problem. The main culprit? Inadequate moisturization. As winter approaches, the humidity in our ambient air drops, contributing to dry skin. Furthermore, you may increase the frequency of hand washing in a hearty effort to decrease your risk of colds and flus. Frequent hand washing strips the natural moisturization factor from the surface of the skin and further contributes to dry, cracked, fissured skin on the hands. How well your hands withstand winter has a lot to do with the integrity of your skin barrier. And if your barrier is weak, you're more prone to symptoms of dryness, itchiness, and red flaky skin, or hand eczema. Essential to treating your dry hands is replacing the moisture. Drinking more water won't do this. Applying moisturizer is key, as this helps to repair the barrier and seal water onto the top layer of the skin, preventing it from evaporating into our environment. Applying moisturizer once a day is simply not enough, guys. Remember, put it on 5 to 6 times a day, and put it on also after you wash your hands. Also, don't forget to apply moisturizer around the cuticles and nails, as they too can become dry during the winter months. Now, I have to admit, it can become a little overwhelming when you head into the drugstore. There's so many choices. What's a good moisturizer? Remember 2 types of moisturizers that are key for dry skin on the hands: emollients and humectants. Emollients act as lubricants and keep skin soft, smooth, and supple. Look for ingredients like mineral oil, petrolatum, and dimethicone, which are key ingredients in most emollients. A humectant draws water in from the environment into the skin and increases the water content of our skin. Glycerin, sorbitol, and hyaluronic acid are common ingredients in humectants, which you should look out for. Also key in choosing a moisturizer is to keep in mind that thicker is better. A good standby is Vaseline or Aquaphor. See how thick that is? That's what you want. That's what's going to seal the moisture onto the surface of your skin. Not a watery lotion, but a thick emollient. For increased efficacy, slather that bad boy on at night and put a cotton glove over it to increase penetration. For just a few bucks, you can pick up a pair of these cotton gloves at your local drugstore. As I mentioned before, frequent hand washing, while good practice for decreasing your risk of colds and flus, can further worsen the problem of dry skin on our hands. Make sure you choose a mild soap, use warm, not hot water, and slather on your moisturizer immediately after washing the hands. Lastly, consider a humidifier. As I mentioned in the beginning, during winter, our ambient air humidity decreases. Having a humidifier can increase the water content in your hands. Furthermore, not only will this help soothe dry, cracked skin on the hands, but it'll also help hydration of the skin elsewhere on the body, including dry, cracked lips. Okay guys, that's going to conclude today's video on getting a handle on dry, cracked skin on the hands. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!